Well, it was a cold start to the day today. Single-digit temperatures this morning. We did see a couple double-digit temperatures in the southern portions, but still a cold morning this morning throughout all of the viewing area. Now, as we look at our area conditions right now, we're seeing temperatures in the low 20s, starting to move down into the teens up in Danville. Our highs today only got up to around 22 or 23, so not much of a difference from our high temperatures to our area conditions right now. As we're moving overnight tonight, those temperatures are going to drop way down to the single digits yet again. We have a low of 6 degrees tonight. A cold night. It's mostly cloudy tonight. We have those north winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, but those aren't having much of an effect on the temperature because they're not that strong. As we move to tomorrow, as we start our day tomorrow, we're gonna start the day again close to single digits, 10 degrees by 7 a.m. This is right at sunrise tomorrow. A cold start to the day. That wind chill could feel like it's 9 degrees, but again, those winds aren't very strong, so that's not going to have much of an effect on the feels like to start our day tomorrow or throughout the day tomorrow at all. Now, as we go through the rest of the day tomorrow, again, starting at 10 degrees by 9 a.m., right around 12, we're going to see somewhat of a quick warm up as we move through the day, but it's not going to warm up too far. We're only going to get up to around 29 for our high tomorrow. Again, starting around 12 degrees at 9 a.m., and we warm up, get up to 28 around 3 p.m., and then it stays right there, and we start to cool off again tomorrow night. But we do have that sunshine throughout the area tomorrow, so it's going to be a cold one, but we will be seeing some mostly sunny skies throughout the day. Looking at our futurecast, again, not much clouds are going to be in the area tomorrow. Starting tomorrow mid-morning, we see some light clouds, but that sunshine will be prevailing throughout the day. We'll see some of those clouds build up by the evening hours, but during the daylight hours, we're going to see mostly sunny skies throughout the viewing area. Now, a cold day tomorrow, however, there is some hope. Looking at our 6 to 10 day outlook, we're looking like we're going to see above average temperatures as we move through into next week. Now, normal temperatures for this time of year are right around 37, so we could be seeing temperatures upwards into the 40s, potentially the 50s, and here's why. When we've been looking at this jet stream, the upper air, recently these colder temperatures that we've been having, this green line right here has been farther south, bringing down those colder temperatures from the north south to us, and that's been cooling us off. Well, now this has moved up farther north. That's bringing up those warmer temperatures to warm us up as we move through the weekend and into next week. We see some of that yellow popping up covering the viewing area, so we are going to see some warmer temperatures as we move forward. Looking at our 3-day outlook, you'll see this warm up Friday, another cold day, high of 25, but then that warm up starts to take place 36 on Saturday, and then Sunday we get up to 49, almost 50. That warm up is going to continue. That's going to continue in the next week. Before we get to that, a little visual on today. These are the temperatures. A cold temperatures today. We're seeing this pinkish purple right over the Midwest. Those are those colder temperatures. As we move forward, we see some green that's going to pop up to the west. That's going to move east towards us. That's those warmer temperatures moving. That's what's going to warm us up. And as we look at our 7-day, you'll see towards the end some warmer temperatures. 29 tomorrow, though, 39 on Thursday, some 20-degree temperature days Wednesday and Friday. Then Saturday, that warm up starts to take place. By next week, we'll see some sunshine and 50-degree weather.